Hello, today we're going to be making a beautiful Christmas tree. So if you've watched my last couple of videos, you will have already seen the mixture part, so you can just fast forward to what we're doing. But if you haven't, then this is how I mixed my resin. What I'm doing is I'm making a theme of items all very similar. So I've used the same mixture on a couple different types of ornaments, and now to make this pretty Christmas tree. So first you just put white glitter, and then green glitter flakes, the blue purple glitter flakes, and pink glitter flakes. This is about 8.5 ounces of resin that I've already mixed up, parts A and B equal parts. So just look at your resin directions and see how you're supposed to mix it. This is epoxy resin. It will need to set overnight before you take it out of the mold. I get a lot of questions between epoxy resin and UV resin. UV resin, you have to have a UV light to cure it, but we're not using that today. We're doing epoxy resin. So you'll notice I'm putting quite a bit of the glitter flakes into the mixture. So there's probably 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of glitter flakes per glitter. So it's quite a lot. But you have a lot of resin you're mixing up. And this is the only thing we're adding in. We're not adding in mica powder or anything. And this makes it so pretty and shiny. Wait till you see the final product. So you can already tell with it on the popsicle stick how pretty it's going to be. I decided it needed a little bit more glitter at the end, so I added some more of that in. So this mold, I really love it. It makes a pretty Christmas tree every time. And we're going to go ahead and fill it completely full of this resin mixture we've made. Make sure you get it all the way to the top of the mold for the Christmas tree and for the base. Make it completely even and level with the top of that mold. But don't overfill it. And this is actually pretty quick to make. This is great for making Christmas presents or selling it at your markets that you'll be at, because it's so quick. You can make, if you have quite a few of these molds, you can make a lot of them really quickly. So again, fill that to the top. Now my little ornament part, I only did it halfway full because I didn't want it to be really thick. So I put some of these fake sprinkles in there. And for the tree part, I decided I just wanted to do some snowflakes. So I'm picking the snowflakes out of that and spreading it around. But I didn't want to put too many, but just some. And then once I spread those all out, I decided I didn't want anything else but snowflakes in my ornament either. So I changed my mind and dug the little candies and gingerbread houses out of it. I just didn't think they looked good with this particular resin pour. So this is me digging them out. It doesn't matter if you put them on the side of the mold like that because it's going to harden. You can just easily take them off when they harden, so it's fine. So this is the base. This is what the Christmas tree will actually set in, and this is set overnight. So I'm just going to take it out of the mold and just get the edges off. And it typically makes a really clean edge. It doesn't even need sanding typically, because if you do it right at the top, to make it even. So this right here, just make sure you gently pull away all the edges of the Christmas tree. And there's a little part right here that has a little hole. That's what's going to attach the ornament to it. So just be careful not to rip your mold there. Take it all out. And then get your ornament out. You want to be careful not to rip that little thing that makes the hole. Okay, so this, I'll show you in a minute in the sunlight how pretty it is. But I'm trying to show you here, but it wasn't doing it justice. So you just set it right down in there. How easy is that? That's the base. And then you attach your ornament with whatever string you have or fishing line or whatever you have. Then for this ornament, I decided to flip it over and put a sticker on it. It says, "I'm wonderfully made." I'll link that and everything else I used in this video to make it. I'll link it in the comments of I'll link it in the description. So if you need to know where I got it. So hang your ornament, decorate it however you want with whatever sticker or whatever you want. You could put a picture on it too. Look how pretty this turned out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.